Hello everybody, on this video I'm going to talk about how to load static data to SQL Server. In many cases, while working in the industry, you have a need to load static data to a database quickly. And in that case, you can use SQL Server Management Studio, um, a readily available GUI to do that. And let me fire up my SSMS and show that to you. So in this case here, I have a instance of SQL Server already connected. So I'm going to load data into this demo database here. I have a CSV file which exists on my document folder here, file to be loaded to SQL Server. It's a simple CSV file which is static, and let me open that. Give a preview of that. So it has a currency key column, and which is basically identity column, and we have currency alternate key, which is a 3-digit code for each currency, and there's a currency name. Simple table. So we want to load this. It does not change over time. It's static data. So we are going to load it at one time. Save. All right, so we go to the database that we want to load to and go to task, and it'll have an option to import flat file. So just click on that, and the wizard will walk you through what you need to do. So to import the data, you must specify the input file and then preview the data, and it'll automatically generate table schema for you. And you can also modify columns if needed. So you can do next and point it to the file where you want to, the file that you want to load, and click open. So it automatically gives a table name. So you can change that or keep it as is. In my case here, let me leave as is. And it also lets you choose a schema. I do not have a new schema created here on this database, so we'll just leave it to default DBA schema. Do next, and it lets you preview the data, and do next, and it'll show you the data type it gave to each column. So for this demo purposes, I'm gonna leave as is and just finish it, and you see a success message and that the data is already loaded. So you go to the table, and sometime you might not see it. So just refresh the table and you see the currency file that is loaded to the database with the data, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you.